Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with chapter 10, Tenths and Hundredths, session 2, colorful designs. What part of this sheet is colored blue? Dash divided by 10. So here you can see this sheet is divided into 10 equal parts and each part is colored differently, right, with various colors. So you can see out of 10 part, blue color strip is 1. So answer will be 1. So that is 1/10 part is blue, or 1/10 part is blue. What part of the sheet is green? So out of 10 equal parts, you can see there are total 3 green strips. So it is 3/10, or 3/10 part is green. Oh, the blue strip is 0.1 of the sheet. Now look at the second sheet. Each strip is divided into 10 equal boxes. How many boxes are there in all? So here you can see that the 10 strips are further divided into 10 each boxes, right? So there are total 100 boxes. So is each box 1/100 part of the sheet? Yes, it is. How many blue boxes are there? So if you remember, in the previous strip, in the previous sheet, it was 1/10, right? Now here it is further divided into boxes and we have to count boxes. So it will be 10 blue boxes. Is blue equals to 10/100 of the sheet? Yes, it is. We saw that blue is also equals to 1/10 of the sheet, and we wrote it as 0.1 of the sheet, right? So here we can say that 0.1 is equals to 1/10 and is equals to 10/100. So can we say 10/100 is equals to 1/10 is equals to 0.10 is equals to 0.1? Can we say that? Yes, we can. Think, we write 10 paise as 0.1 of a rupee. Yes, we can write 10 paise as 0.1 of a rupee. How many boxes are red? So here you can see one full strip and one half strip. So there are total 15 boxes, right? So what part of the sheet is this? So it is 15/100. Can we also write it as 0.15 of the sheet? So as we have seen earlier that we can write 10/100 is equals to 0.1. So here we can also write it as 0.15. So yes, we can write it as 0.15. Remember, we wrote 99 paise as 0.99 rupee. So don't get confused that 0.10 is the same as 0.1. Remember, this 50 paise coin, you can see that is rupees 0.50 and also rupees 0.5. So don't get confused. Now 3/100 of the sheet is black. We can say that it is, see this sheet, you can see that 3 boxes are black. So we can also say that it is 0.03 sheet is black. How many white boxes are there in the sheet? So if you count the white boxes, here the full strip, then half strip, and then 7, right? So that is 10 plus 5 plus 7. That is equals to 22 white boxes are there. So what part of the second sheet is white? So it is equals to 22/100. 22 total white boxes, and upon total boxes, that is 100. make your designs. See, make a nice design by coloring 0.45 part of this square red. So 0.45 part is equals to 45 boxes. So you can make your own designs by coloring 45 boxes out of this 100 boxes. Next is use 4 colors now, and each color should cover 0.05 of this square. So there are total 100 squares, out of which 5 squares you can use for one color, and like that you have to use 4 colors. So it can be something like this. You can use your own colors and make it beautiful. Sports day. The school at Mallapuram has its sports day. The first 5 children in the long jump are Tina 3.50 meter, Meena 4.05 meter, Rehana 4.50 meter, Anu 3.05 meter, Amina 3.35 meter. Tina jumped 3.50 meter, which is 3 meter and 50 centimeter. But how far did Anu jump? So here you can see Anu has jumped 3 meter and 5 centimeter. So who is the winner in the long jump? So out of this winner board you can see that Rehana is the winner. She has jumped 4.50 meters. Write the names of 1, 2 and 3 winners on this stand. So here is the stand. Let us write the name first. So Rehana is the first, Meena is second and Tina is third. Do you remember that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter? So 1 centimeter is 1 upon 100 of a meter. We also write 1 centimeter as 0.01 meter. So write in meters. 3 meter 45 centimeter, we can write it as 3.45 meters. 99 centimeter, we can write it as 0.99 meters. And 1 meter and 5 centimeters, we can write it as 1.05 meters. How big can you get? See, after breathing out, this sumo pahalwan, the sumo fighter, you can see, after breathing out, his chest is 1.52 meters, and on taking a deep breath, so after breathing in, his chest is 1.82 meters. So the difference is 1.82 meters minus 1.52 meters, that is equal to 0.30 meters. So this sumo pahalwan can get this as 0.30 meters. So difference in size is 0.30. Do this yourself and find the difference. So you must have meter tape at your home. You can do this activity, right? After breathing out, check your chest, and then after taking a deep breath, again check your chest and find the difference. See here, you have to grow 45 centimeter more to reach 2 meter height, right? So what is Dinesh's height in meters? So here you can see in the green clothes is Dinesh, and a girl is checking his height, and she said that Dinesh needs to grow 45 centimeter more to reach 2 meter height, right? So for that we have to subtract out of 2 meter 45 centimeter. So that will be 1 meter and 55 centimeter. So Dinesh needs to grow 1 meter and 55. Dinesh needs to go 45 centimeter more to reach 2 meter height, and his height is 1 meter 55 centimeter. Exercise. Money from different countries. Have you seen any notes or coins used in any other countries? you must have seen. So if you have seen, you can write yes, I have seen the notes and coins of the like euro or any London or any countries, America, you can write. Shivam Bank has a chart to show us how many Indian rupees we can get when we change the money of different countries. So here is the chart. You can see name of the country, currency, name of the currency, and if it is changed into rupees, the value in rupees. And this is the rate on 15 to 2008. Let us see the question number 1. The money of which country will cost the most Indian rupees? So here, out of all the countries, you can see that England's pound is the strongest. So if England 1 pound is changed into rupees, we can get 77 rupees and 76 paisa. So the money of England will cost most in Indian rupees. See the second question. Question number B. Mithun's uncle in America had sent him 10 USA dollars as gift. So Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. How much money was left with him? So here you can see the income is in dollars and spending in rupees. So first of all, let us convert the dollars into rupees. So here is the chart. If we convert dollar into rupee, so the USA currency, if we convert $1, we'll get 39 rupees 70 paisa or 39.70 rupees. So money received by Mithun is equals to 10 USA dollars and 1 USA dollar is equals to 39.70 rupee. Hence money received by Mithun is equals to 10 multiplied by 39.70, that is equals to 397 rupees, out of which he spent 350 on school trip. So we have to subtract that. So money left with him is equals to rupees 397 minus rupees 350, that is equals to rupees 47. So 47 rupees. So rupees 47 is left with him. Majid's father is working in Saudi Arabia. He gets 1000 Saudi riyals as salary. Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Who gets more Indian rupees as salary? Let us find out. So Majid's father's salary is 1000 Saudi riyals. So 1000 Saudi riyals, if it is converted into Indian rupees, then it will be 1000 multiplied by 10.52 as per the rate chart. So that is equals to 10,520 rupees. So Arun's father's salary is 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. So that is equals to, say, Sri Lankan rupees, if you find out the rate from the rate chart, it is 0.37 rupees. So 2000 is multiplied with rupees 0.37, that is equals to 74,000 paise, and if it is converted into rupees, so that is equals to 740 rupees. So from this you can see that Majid's father gets more Indian rupees as salary. Lina's auntie brought a present for her from China. It cost 30 yuan. Find what is cost in Indian rupees. So here is the rate China's yuan, that if it is changed into rupees, that is equals to 5.50. So 1 yuan is equals to rupees 5.50. So 30 yuan is equals to 30 into 5.50, that is equals to 165 rupees. Asta wants some Hong Kong dollar and won. How many won can she change for rupees 4 and for rupees 400? So let us find out. 1 won is equals to rupees 0.04. Hence 100 won equals to 4 multiply on both the side by 100. See, we can do that. So hence Asta gets 100 won for rupees 4 and for rupees 400, right? So we can multiply it further again with 100. So for rupees 400 she will get 100 into 100, that is equals to 10,000 won. How many Hong Kong dollars can she change for rupees 508? So 1 Hong Kong dollar is equals to 5.10. Hence rupees 508. Hence for rupees 508, that is equals to 508 divided by 5.10. So we have to divide the rate of Hong Kong dollar. So 508 divided by 5.10, that is equals to 99.61 Hong Kong dollar approximately. Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Look at the bill. The shopkeeper forgot to put the point correctly in the prices. Put the point in the correct place and find out the total amount of the bill. So here is the bill. So let us put the point correctly. See, soap 1 quantity cannot be 1250, it should be 12.50. Green gram 1 kilogram should be 50.25. Tea 250 gram should be 27.25, and coconut oil 1 liter should be 60.00. So if we will total it, we will get 150 rupees. So out of 200 rupees, see, she had 200 rupees and the total amount bill is 150. So which city is cool? Say this: I live in Himachal. There the temperature in winter is 2 degrees Celsius. Sometimes water in pipes freezes into ice. Now see this picture. But in Rajasthan, where I live, the temperature reaches 48 degrees Celsius. Here it is very hot. One has to walk kilometers to get water. So the temperature in each city was noted at 3 p.m. on 16th January 2008. Right? So here on the map you can see that temperature of different cities. Now look at the question number 1. Which place had the highest temperature at 3 p.m. and which place is the coolest at that time? So these are the temperatures of different cities at the same time, that is 3 p.m. on 16th January 2008. So the highest temperature is in Mumbai and the lowest temperature, that is coolest temperature, is Srinagar. So Mumbai had the highest temperature and Srinagar is the coolest place at that time. How much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that in Srinagar? So here Mumbai's temperature is 35.1 degrees Celsius and Srinagar's temperature is 8.1 degrees Celsius. So we have to find out difference. So we'll put a subtraction mark, symbol of subtraction. And if you'll subtract 35.1, if you'll subtract 8.1 from 35.1, you will get 27.0 degrees Celsius. So this is the difference. So Mumbai is 27 degrees Celsius higher than that of Srinagar. How many degrees will the temperature need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram? So here in the Thiruvananthapuram you can see that the temperature is 33.5 degrees Celsius. So how many degrees will the temperature need to rise? We have to find out. So we will subtract 33.5 degrees from 40 degrees Celsius. So 40 degrees Celsius subtraction 33.5 degrees Celsius. So if we subtract 33.5 out of 40 degrees Celsius, you will get 6.5 degrees Celsius. temperature of Thiruvananthapuram need to rise 6.5 degrees Celsius more to reach 40 degrees Celsius. How much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from that in Chennai? So here is the temperature of Kolkata and here is the temperature of Chennai. You can see that temperature of Kolkata is 26.6 degrees Celsius and Chennai is 29.9 degrees Celsius. So let us find out how much lower temperature of Kolkata from that in Chennai. So 29.9 degrees Celsius and temperature of Kolkata is 26.6 degrees Celsius. Let us put subtraction symbol and let us find out. So it will be 3.3 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of Kolkata is 3.3 degrees Celsius lower from that in Chennai. So the temperature in these cities was also noted at 3 AM on the same day. Look at the table and answer the questions. So, which place had the lowest temperature at 3 AM? Imagine yourself to be there and describe how it would feel. So here you can see out of this all cities, temperature in Srinagar is 1.3 degrees Celsius and which is lowest at 3 AM. So Srinagar is the lowest, and if you imagine that yourself to be there, then it would feel like you can write your answer like this. The temperature is 1.3 degrees Celsius means it is very cold and the water in pipe froze into ice. We will have to wear woolen clothes and sit near fire all day long. What is the difference between the temperature at 3 PM and 3 AM in Chennai and in Bhopal? So first look at the Chennai. See, temperature at 3 PM it is 29.9 degrees Celsius and temperature at 3 AM is 21.1 degrees Celsius. So if you will subtract 21.1 degrees Celsius from 29.9 degrees Celsius, you will get 8.8 degrees Celsius. So the difference is 8.8 degrees Celsius. Now for Bhopal. Temperature at 3 PM is equals to 25.9 degrees Celsius and temperature at 3 AM is equals to 9.8 degrees Celsius. So the difference will be 25.9 degrees Celsius minus 9.8 degrees Celsius. That is equals to 16.1 degrees Celsius. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.